How to change Gmail name. We are using Android Mobile for this video, but the method remains the same if you are using an iPhone or even Windows. First, open the Gmail app. Now click on your profile picture on the top right corner. Click on Google account. On this page, go to the Personal Info section. Now scroll down and click on Name. Here, change your Gmail account name by clicking on the pencil icon next to the name. Enter your new Gmail account name in the first name and the last name sections. Click on the Save button. As you can see, the name is changed on our Google account. If you found this guide helpful, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.